Hello everyone! Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking! Supervisor Sweet-chan is here. Hi! Today, I want to show you how to make baby food in Japan. 5 to 6 months old. Volume 3. So I hope you enjoy my baby food Japan series. Previous 2 videos, I introduced an overview of the Japanese baby food and the recipe video with using porridge. And it was a carbohydrate recipe. So this time, I want to show you how to make the protein recipe for baby with using tofu and fish. So I want to introduce one main dish with using somen. Somen is similar to udon, but it's much thinner. After making Japanese baby food, I'm planning to have her to taste. It's gonna be a lunchtime for her. During this video, I'll show you some tips and techniques to make delicious Japanese style baby food. So are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So at first, let's boil vegetables. So here's the broccoli. I already cut into small pieces. Then we peel the carrots. We don't use all of them, so let's use 1/3. Like this much. And as always, I use heat resistance container. Microwave for 2 minutes. Today, now we prepare tofu. Now it starts to boil, so we put tofu in here and quickly boil. Then, same as usual, I use this special container, strain tofu to make paste. Tofu paste is done. Now we put this tofu into containers. Now we boil shirasu, a small fish. I think vegetables are done, so let's take it out. And this is still hot, so let's keep this aside. Shirasu is already cooked. Let's also boil the cuttlefish in the same water. Okay, now we grind shirasu. Usually I garnish the shirasu on top of the rice and put daikon radish and soy sauce and eat. So yummy. It's a little bit bigger for 5 to 6 months baby. So I pour hot water here and grind a bit more. And then if you do this, it gets more fluffy and easy to eat. And the color gets a little bit white, so that's the sign. Now I wash this one. Now let's take out the cuttlefish. Now I change water to boil somen noodles. Now we remove all the cuttlefish and grind. Hot water again. Here's a tip. When you choose the fish, please choose the fish unsalted. And if you have to buy the salted fish, in this case, please boil for a long time. Okay, cuttlefish is done. Now the water starts to boil. So we put somen noodles and I break into 2. Somen is easy to cook, so please try before using udon. In the meantime, we cut the veggies. So I move the cuttlefish in a container too. I move the broccoli in a mortar and pestle, and again, I pour hot water. It becomes very smooth. This. Okay, then now noodles are done, so let's take it out. Then finely chop the somen noodles, add hot water and grind to make a paste. Okay, now let's do the decoration. Here is the ingredients. So we have somen noodles and tofu, broccoli, and codfish, and shirasu, then carrots. For somen, I put shirasu. For nutritious purpose, I put codfish in a tofu mixture and mix all together. Let's make carrot shape. And last one, so I want to mix tofu and broccoli to make a green color. Then the final part, so I want to make this smile face. Okay. So it's done. So this is somen with shirasu boshi, and this is a tofu and codfish, and topped with carrots and broccoli. How cute is that? Last one, tofu and broccoli, and also topped with carrots. So how was the recipe today? It's one of the important protein for us. So I'm so happy to introduce the baby food with using fish. And do you remember the tip? If the ingredients are crumbled after grinding, please pour hot water to make a paste. Please use somen before using udon. Somen is much easier to prepare. And if you use salted fish, please boil a long time to take out saltiness as much as possible. It might be good to taste during cooking. And thank you for always supporting and subscribing and like this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot of things about Japanese food. And please also check my previous videos, Japanese baby food, volume 1 and volume 2. I hope those recipe videos help you. So thank you for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye! これにする。OK これ一番好き。